What's up my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Manscaped.com. Manscaped is a premium brand for men's grooming and hygiene products. Manscaped launched their new Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer, and I will be one of the first ones to check its new feature and upgrades. So I am really excited right now. Manscaped is my go-to brand for getting grooming tools and products, and I have always been very satisfied with their products. Alright my friends, let's unbox this. Such a beauty. The details are of the next level. Look at the two-tone black finish and hot foil stamped Manscaped logo. It looks amazing. The Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer features ceramic blades with SkinSafe Technology. This helps reduce nicks and cuts where they matter most. It's waterproof and cordless, so you can trim in the shower. This also makes cleanup very easy. The new Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer has a high-powered 4000K LED spotlight to help you see in those hard-to-reach areas. This is such a helpful feature. This device has a new wireless charging system, and after a full charge you can use it for up to 90 minutes. One of my most favorite feature about this is multifunction on and off switch that can engage a new travel lock feature. So wherever you go, you won't have to worry about dragging your battery. This device has 4 trimmer guard options that will help you to create your style. One of the reasons I love Manscaped trimmer is how you can keep the blades fresh by replacing them. Cleaning them is also super easy, that ensures the whole process is hygienic. Manscaped is truly a perfect tool for your vanity needs. Over 2 million men worldwide trust Manscaped. And guess what my friends? You can use my code QuietStroke20 to get 20% off plus free international shipping. You will love it. Ciao.